This vehicle features park assist sensors in the rear and, on select trims, in the front of the vehicle. They help enhance awareness when maneuvering in tight spaces. The system works when the vehicle is being driven at 6 miles per hour or slower. The rear sensors are designed to detect objects up to 8 feet away, and those in the front have a range of up to 4 feet. Park Assist alerts the driver with beeps and a display in the digital instrument cluster. When an object is first detected, you'll hear a single beep, and the display will show the location of the object as well as yellow alerts. As the object gets closer, more beeps will sound, and the display will illuminate amber and then red alerts. The system can be adjusted and turned on or off via the color touchscreen. From the home screen, touch Settings, Vehicle, Collision Detection Systems, and then Park Assist with braking to view your choices. To avoid unwanted alerts when towing a trailer or mounting a bike rack, turn Park Assist off. See the vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.